Thank you for purchasing your superior pet waste station from Pet Waste Eliminator. We're going to demonstrate how to quickly assemble the station and add it to your park. Your kit includes 8 parts, and it's important to note that your steel signpost will ship to you separately. You will also need a few tools before getting started: a socket driver or adjustable wrench, a level, and a post hole driver. Once you select a location for your pet waste station, use the post hole driver to create a hole approximately 18 inches into the ground and drive your signpost into the ground. Be certain that the hollow side or U-channel side of your signpost is facing the direction where the sign, dispenser box, and trash can will face. Use the level to check the signpost. Next, using one set of hardware included in your kit, secure the sign to the top of the signpost using one bolt and one washer on both the top and bottom of the sign. Make sure your bolts are attached to the front of the sign. Now attach the dispenser box to the signpost approximately 1 inch below the bottom of the sign. Open the box to properly align the holes to the signpost and attach the bolts and washers, again making sure that the bolts are attached to the inside of the box. If you are using bags on a roll, now is a great time to attach our universal fit pet waste bag converter to the inside of the dispenser. Receive a complimentary bag converter with the purchase of your pet waste station. Finally, using the last set of included hardware, secure the trash receptacle to the signpost approximately 6 inches from the ground. Make sure the bolts and washers are attached on the inside of the trash receptacle. Now is the time to open the lid on your trash receptacle and make sure it opens fully without bumping the dispenser box. Now that your station is fully assembled, place a liner bag inside of the receptacle and fold it over the top of the receptacle. Open the dispenser bag and add the header card or bags on a roll. Your pet waste station is now ready to use. And don't forget to stock up on pet waste essentials or join our discount pet waste bag refill program so you'll never run out of bags again. Visit us today at www.petwasteeliminator.com for this and more pet waste products.